In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add payment methods in Shopify store. Now, this is going to be a step-by-step video. All you need to do, guys, you want to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistake in this process. Now, first thing, of course, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's what I'm going to do right now. I just created this new Shopify store just to explain to you guys how you can add payment methods to your own Shopify store. Keep in mind that each country has a different payment methods, different payment providers. So that's what I'm going to explain in this video. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can add payment methods to your own Shopify store so that you can start receiving payments. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, as you can see here, guys, and then you want to click on where it says here payments. Okay, now like I said, this is going to be different for each country. For example, if you live in United States, you will find here Shopify payments, and you can activate Shopify payments. That's what I'm about to show you right now. I'm going to click on general, as you can see here, guys, in the top left, and I'm going to change the country, for example, to United States, just to show you guys this is going to be different for multiple countries have multiple payment methods. Okay, like have different payment methods. That's what I'm trying to say. Now I'm going to select here a state. I'm going to click on save. Okay, so I'm going to click on save. As you can see here, guys, if I go now to payments, as you can see, I will be able to see here Shopify payments. Okay, probably this state is not okay, as you can see here, guys, it's still PayPal, the same. It's still displaying PayPal. Now I'm going to change it, for example, to California, and I'm going to click on save. Now even different states have different payment methods. Okay, now I'm going to click again on where it says here payments, and as you can see now, I can see here Shopify payments. Now if you live, for example, in California, you will be able to activate Shopify payments inside your Shopify store. Okay, fraud protection, built-in faster payouts with Shopify balance account, better checkout conversion with Shop Pay. Now if you live in California, for example, or some states that support Shopify payments, you can activate Shopify payments by clicking on activate Shopify payments, click on complete setup, and then you can start just complete setup. Just click on submit details, and then you just need to add all the information they are asking here. Okay, now as you can see, just need, for example, I'm running my store as individual, registered business, non-profit. Now you can just select, for example, individual, and then follow the steps. Now for people who live in a different state that doesn't support Shopify payments, what you guys need to do now, I'm going to go back to my own country so that I can show you guys. Yeah, I'm going to click on deactivate Shopify payments, and I'm going to change the country to my own country, which is Morocco, because I live currently in Morocco. Now I'm going to click on payment. I'm going to first to deactivate Shopify payments because it seems like yeah, I'm going to click here where it says yeah, if you click, for example, I'm just going to reload the page. And as you can see here, guys, I'm going to click on payments. Okay, now as you can see here Shopify payments. Now if you live, for example, in a different country, you will find here PayPal or additional payment methods, which is PayPal. Now what you guys need to do, if you live, for example, in Europe or whatever country you live in, just click on add payment method, and you can search by provider or search by payment methods. Now for example, if you want to accept a credit card, you can just enter here credit card or master. If you want to, for example, to accept Visa, you can just click like select Visa. Okay, and after you select the payment method that you want to accept, then you will see here the providers that offer this payment method. I hope it makes sense. Now there are a lot of providers that can help you accept this payment method that you have selected here, which is Visa. You can also select, for example, Visa. You can select MasterCard. Okay, now you can select multiple payment methods that you want to accept inside your own Shopify store. Now for example, if you want to accept Visa or you want to accept PayPal, okay, now PayPal, for example, I'm going to, yeah, you want to accept of course you can connect your own PayPal account to Shopify, but for example you want to accept like, let's say, MasterCard. Okay, we have selected MasterCard and Visa. Now let's add another payment method. Let's add, for example, Bitcoin. Okay, we want to accept Bitcoin. Now as you can see, Bankful is going to help us accept we are going to be able to receive like Visa money, MasterCard, Bitcoin, American Express, and 3 more payments methods, which is Discover, Ethereum, and this payment method. Okay, now if you remove, for example, Bitcoin, then you will see here another like multiple payment providers that can help you, like providers that can help you accept these payment methods, which is Visa and MasterCard. Now for example, what I suggest, guys, for example, to use, let's say, okay, OnePay. You can use OnePay. You can use PayZone Maroc if you live in Morocco. Now you can choose which payment provider you want to use. For example, if you want to use Wind Cave Payments, you can just like copy this name and search for it on YouTube and see if someone made a video about that payment provider, if it's good or not. Payment provider is like PayPal, Payoneer. If you don't know that, guys, it's very like this is very simple. You just need to select here the payment methods that you want to accept, and here Shopify will show you providers that can help you accept this kind of payments. Okay, now that's exactly, guys, what you need. So for example, if you want to like add to checkout as payment provider, you just need to click on it, and then you want to click on install in the top here. Of course, you have to search for this payment provider on YouTube so that you can create an account on to checkout, so that you can start receiving your payments to checkout. Okay, now if you click, for example, on install, just to checkout is like PayPal, Payoneer, the same thing. Okay, here you just need to enter your merchant code, secret word, or order title, style ID. Now all this information will be found if you create your checkout account. Just search for checkout on Google, and then you want to click on login, and then you can start creating an account. Okay, it says here don't have an account, click on sign up, and then you can start entering the information here. Choose the plan, okay, which is like most popular. Just click on sign up for free, and this is the transaction fee, which is 4.5% and plus 45 cents, okay, for per successful sale. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to do, guys. You just need to find a provider that you want to use on your Shopify store. You can also activate PayPal if you want. As you can see, most countries, they will see here PayPal in your Shopify store. Okay, most people, like, they will be able to activate PayPal. Just click on activate PayPal, click again on activate PayPal, and then you will be able, guys, it will take you directly to your own PayPal account. If you like log in, then click next, and then that's it. Okay, activate, and then you will be able to receive payments through your PayPal. If you receive a sale, you will find the transaction in your Shopify, in your PayPal account. Now that's exactly, guys, what you need to do to like add some payment methods to your own Shopify store. Hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.